Welcome to Canada. If you're planning a trip soon, there's a simple way to speed up your entry at the border, introducing ArriveCAN, the official app designed to make your customs and immigration process as efficient as possible. By using ArriveCAN, you can submit your declaration up to 72 hours before you even land in the country. Getting started is easy. Open the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play on your Android device to find the app. Search for ArriveCAN and look for the official icon. Simply tap Download and wait a moment for it to install if you don't have a mobile device. Don't worry, you can also use the Canada.ca web portal to complete your declaration online. Once the app is open, it's time to create your profile. This stores your information securely for future travels. The app makes it easy. Just use your phone's camera to scan your passport or permanent resident card for instant entry. If you prefer, you can also enter your travel document details manually to ensure everything is perfectly accurate. Now, let's look at the declaration interface. You'll answer a series of standard customs, immigration, and agriculture questions. It's important to provide truthful answers. The interface is intuitive, guiding you through each section step by step. Remember, you can complete this entire process within 72 hours of your scheduled arrival in Canada. This early submission means less time spent at airport kiosks and more time enjoying your stay. After reviewing your summary, hit Submit. You will immediately receive your advance CBSA declaration e-receipt on the screen. We recommend taking a screenshot of this receipt just in case you lose internet connection at the airport. A confirmation will also be sent to your email address, so you'll have it ready when you reach the border. When you land, simply follow the signs to the CBSA kiosks. You'll breeze through the process in no time. Download ArriveCAN today for a smoother arrival. Safe travels, and welcome to Canada.